Nice song, nice song.
It's pretty crazy now.
Bravo 1.
Whatever he wants. Oh, you're right.
Four more minutes. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time to lose us. 'Cause we are the champions of the world. Till the end. 3 more minutes. We are the champions of the world. I hope that actually got on video. 3 minutes. I think somebody gets to go home or something. I'm going home after 3 more minutes. That guy. He's a jolly good fellow, and nobody can deny. Nobody can deny. Nobody can deny.
Yeah, they closed it. Remember that.
They closed it like
Maybe, I don't know.
2 more minutes till this guy right here breaks the world record, the longest time bell ringing.
Alright, thank you. Calm down.
So what were you saying that was like they only made a few of in the 60s or something? About $1,000 bills. They made them for 2 years. Really? They did that?
My dad decided to go.
$1,000 bills, $500 bills, and then $5,000. World record.